Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn Russian in less than 5 minutes. My name is Anand. I am from India. I have been studying Russian language for past 8 years. Right now I am doing my PhD in Russian language from Tomsk State University in Russia. Guys, I hope that you are so eager to listen how Russian sounds like. So let's do it. You will listen how Russian sounds like. Здравствуйте. Меня зовут Anand. Я из Indy. You did not understand anything. Of course you did not understand because it's entirely a different language for you. But I would like to assure you that you will also speak like this within a few months or few weeks. Guys, before starting to learn any language, we must know the alphabet of that language. So, let's do the alphabets, right? In Russian, there are 33 letters, like in English, 26, 21 consonants, 10 vowels, and 2 signs. These signs have no sounds, but they play a very big role in Russian language, about which you will know in further videos. Guys, this was about the alphabet, and we will talk in detail about this in our further videos also. I will show you how are they written and how are they pronounced correctly. Guys, before going further, I would like to introduce you with some of the Russian daily uses, expressions like hello, how are you, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, etc. So, how to say hello in Russian language? Hello is привет, привет, привет. And if you are talking professionally, or if you are talking with your senior or professor, teacher or boss or anyone who is elder than you, then you can say здравствуйте. How? Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. So, it was hello in two ways. The first one is привет and the second one is здравствуйте. Now coming towards good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Good morning. How to say good morning? Good morning is доброе утро. Доброе утро. In the same way, good afternoon is добрый день. Добрый день. Добрый день. Good evening is добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. Добрый вечер. So, it's quite simple. Everywhere it is добрый, добрый, добрый. You listened? Доброе утро, добрый день, добрый вечер. So it has logic, which we have to catch, and that's how Russian will become very easy for us to learn. Don't bother, just don't worry about it. Okay. So guys, I think for today it's enough, and we will be coming soon with new video where I will be explaining about alphabet. I will show you how they look like and how to pronounce them correctly, how to write them correctly, and we will talk about some new words also. And I have one request to you, that if you know anyone who really likes to learn Russian language, kindly share my videos to them. Thank you very much.